how to turn on or turn off Emoji Kitchen suggest stickers for Gboard or Google Keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and from here, tap on General Management. Next, we go down and tap on Keyboard List and Default. Then tap on Gboard. Next, we scroll down. Then tap on Emojis, Stickers, and GIFs. In here, scroll down and then tap on Emoji Kitchen. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Emoji Kitchen. When this is turned on, the keyboard can suggest stickers when you select emojis in the emoji keyboard. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.